I would like to kind of go through the 10 commandments with you and give me your take on each
Come
commandment.
on, God.
Now let me do it, please.
Come on, Jesus told you there's only one commandment.
What's that?
Love your brother. When you follow love, all the commandments have been done. That's what Jesus said for mama. We ain't got to talk about the other 10. They don't exist.
Yeah.
That was man that made
Thou
that.
shalt not steal.
Yeah, no, don't worry about that. Just love. If you love a motherfucker, you ain't gonna steal from him. Stop playing with me.
Wait.
Just love.
Thou shalt not commit adultery.
If you love a motherfucker, you ain't go around cheating on your wife and keep fucking. Stop playing on me. It's love. Everything love.
So when a man steps on a roach, what's that?
Ain't love. You shouldn't even kill a roach. I mean, if you kill a roach, that's murder. In the eyes of God. I saw y'all, see, y'all playing. But yeah, it's murder.